Hey Matt. Do you have any idea what SaaS is?
Yes, of course. I will give you an example. If we need internet, we just switch on our Wi-Fi. It's not like we have to own communication towers to be able to use the internet. We just hire an ISP which fulfills our requirements. Similarly, when you need a software for your business, you can look for a software that already exists instead of making your own from scratch. It is faster, cheaper and more convenient for you. Also known as SaaS or software as a service, works on a software on demand model where you get instant access to software solutions, instantly delivered to your laptop over the internet. By just accessing the software via the unique URL that your provider gives you, you end up saving large amounts of resources by avoiding expensive installation and upgrade fee. SaaS solutions offer you a pay-as-you-go model and also work from any location. All you need is a net connection and you are good to go.
Hey Matt, how about data security?
A well-run SaaS company has a strong, dedicated, and trusted security team that is solidly engaged in the security industry. Your data is very much secured on a SaaS platform.
Thanks Matt for answering my queries.